Hey, welcome back. This is Cash with another Money Shot Monday. I'm down in the DFW area again. I found another new model. I don't know how I keep getting so lucky, but today I have Nisa with me. Nisa, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hey y'all, I'm Nisa. I'm 25 years old from Dallas, Texas.
Okay, look, she's not gonna say it, but she's a superstar. You have to watch out for her new reality show that just got filmed.
You might know me from Love Cabin on Zeus Network, season 1, so watch out.
Yeah, man. So as you can see, we have this awesome space that I found on Peerspace again. I can't wait to start shooting, so let's get to it. Guys, thanks for joining me for another Money Shot Monday. I've been a little absent. Life happens. Thank you for following and subscribing and staying with me during my journey. Speaking of journeys, I told you guys I was thinking about making a move and I did it. Not only did I convert back to Nikon, I went all in. So let's talk about what I did. First and foremost, I went with the Z6III. All right, so if you don't know, I was coming from the Canon R6, the first version, the first iteration of that. Now I moved to the Nikon Z6III. All right. I also got me 2 new video lights that I'm using right now. They're the newer HB 80 watts, perfect lights, RGB modes, everything that I need to do. I really didn't know how deep I was gonna get into this video thing. So that's why I'm kind of like, should I invest? Should I not invest? And I just went ahead and took the plunge. On top of that, I got rid of my RS3 Mini and I upgraded to the RS4. I did not do the Pro. I don't need that, I don't think, but I did get the RS4. And the capabilities between the RS3 Mini and the RS4 Pro, oh my goodness. The auto locking feature, everything about it, I just love it. But wait, there's more. Last but not least, let's talk about this. All right, guys, like I said, I am all in. With that said, your boy got the Nikon new ZR. Yo, this camera's amazing. If you don't know about it, research it. It's Nikon's first cinema camera after they have merged with Red. Amazing. There are some things I don't like about it, but overall, amazing. And right now, you know, I'm normally a 24-70 shooter. They just dropped the new version 2 of their 24-70, so I'm about to get my hands on it soon. But for right now, I have the 35mm prime lens. It's a workhorse. You know, that's just a good focal length between that one or the 50. I decided to go with the 35. So that's my setup, man. I will list it all below if you want to check it out. I might go a little more in depth and why I chose what I chose, but I love this setup and this was my first shoot using it. So let's get back to the shoot. Cute. So on these ones, just kind of like hair back, head up, because I don't want, so you just kind of close your eyes. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. And then your left hand, let's kind of like just bring it up. I know you like, wait. Beautiful. All right, relax. Give me 1 second. Let me turn this light down just a little bit. Yeah. That's crazy. All right, let me get up. Let me get back just a little bit so I can get the whole shot. Wow. That was crazy.
Ooh, love these. Yes, love those.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the
Okay. So, you gonna sit down? Look this way.
Okay.
A little bit of light. All right. Great. Love, love, love. Okay. Now I'm gonna come around so you can look at me. Gorgeous. Love, love, love. Okay. All right. So let's sit down regular, ain't it? There you go. Actually, so sit on your hip.
This side?
Yep. Just like that. And yeah, you did. You did. Yes, elongate that. Yeah. No, not all the way. Yeah, just a little bend right there. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. Woo! Chocolate. I'm gonna get some close-ups. Wow. And then just kind of look over your right shoulder this way. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Beautiful.
Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Hey, thank you guys as always for just watching the videos and supporting me, whether it's on any of my social media channels or through my website. Don't forget, please, please, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. I definitely appreciate you guys. All right, so I do have a little things to reveal. About 2 days before this shoot, I had just got this set up, right? So I had just got the Z6III and the 35mm and all the things. So I really didn't do a lot of research when it came down to the video part. So you can kind of see some of the videos are really noisy because I wasn't using the native ISOs. The native ISOs on this Z6III are 800 and 6400. I think I was just kind of doing it like I normally do with photography, so I got a lot of noise. But if I would have used those native ISOs, all the noise would have been gone. So it was a learning lesson for me, and I'm still growing as a videographer and as a photographer. So thank you guys for continuing to support me during my journey. And also, I did not have the ZR when I was doing any of that shoot. I got the ZR after that. So I cannot wait to actually use the ZR for my video. I always want to have a dedicated video camera so I don't have to go back and forth from my gimbal. So now I have that set up. I'm so excited. I actually have a shoot coming up in a few days, so I get to use the whole entire gambit of this new setup. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.